kaiwaiata Hone Hurunui. Engari i ara ka hoki atu ia ki tōna mahi hei kaiwhakapāoho Irirangi mō TahuFM.
Keep it locked on TahuFM ko tērā aia o te aroa me tō rātou waiata wai e rere.
No tēnei wiki o te Reo Māori, ka tūhonotia e hurunui, ana tūnga e rua mā runga Irirangi.
Ka kōrero a hau ki oku hoa, my music mates, artists, kai tito, tauas, mohi. Just celebrating the reo, eh? Just really acknowledging our reo rangatira and yeah, just letting people know how important it is to the land of Aotearoa.
I ona taitamarikitanga i haere a hurunui ki te kura kaupapa Māori o te whānau tahi, engari i ona tau kura tuarua i huri ia ki te kura auraki. Ko tāna, i tino heke te taumata o tōna Reo Māori.
Understand every single thing, but you know, after a while when you're just talking English for ages, you just kind of lose like words that you want to say. You know what you want to say, but you can't say it because you've lost a few words that you used to talk about all the time, or you know, you just used to always say.
Engari no te tau 2020 mātahi, i tukuna ai e hurunui tana waiata tuatahi, a mai tau a wā, kua noho tata ia ki ngā kaiwaiata Māori pēnā ia Stan Walker, pere wihongi me Tawaroa kawana.
So karanga, when I made that song with Tawaroa, I was just in Tauranga at the time and he was recording with one of the boys, Matt, at his house in Papamoa. And he just seen one of my stories that I was in Tauranga. So he hit me up, "Kai, you in Tauranga?" I was like, yo, just here at the beach. "Oh, can you come and record a song?" It's a Reo Māori song. And I was like, "Yo, I'll come through." Yes, I was just in the right city at the right time. So that song was just right time, right place. Tawaroa asked me and I pulled up, sang my harmony, Bob's your uncle.
Kei te ngā kaunui a hurunui ki te noho a te Reo Māori ki te pūtake o tōna āwano.
I've been working on a little waiata vibe for a couple of years. It's been a long journey getting it over the line, but hopefully I can drop one this Saturday. My boy Rory Noble, he produced it. Oh, it's crazy. Just coming back to the roots is obviously mean, you know, everyone's trying to be international and crack the music scene, but sometimes you just gotta come back to who you are, man. You know, English music's always gonna be there, but the culture is within, man.
Ka puta te waiata Reo Māori tuatahi a hurunui ki te ao i tēnei mahuru Māori. Ora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.